The last few data cleaning functions that we'll work with are mutate, which will allow us to add new columns based on existing ones. So in this case, we're adding a text length column based on the number of words in the comment body column. So that will tell us how many words are in a particular comment. And if you switch that with the transmute function, then you would delete the comment body function from the data frame when you added the text length function. So that's not what we want to do here, but it can be useful in other contexts. I'm not going to get into the details of any sort of natural language processing since that's going to be covered itself at a later date, but I'm going to do a little bit of text cleaning using the stringer package since it can be helpful. So these few functions will allow us to clean up some miscellaneous characters that came in with the comment body that we don't want. And then we'll do some light text cleaning to tokenize the comments themselves, remove any stop words, and get some sentiment scores that we can work with in some of our application below. So you don't really need to know the details of this for the purposes of this workshop, but it can be good to know to see kind of at the most basic level how this sort of thing would be done. And then finally, we'll join this text data frame with the original data frame that we had been working on using the left join function. So that will leave us with this nice clean data frame that has only the data that we want. So it has the recipe name and ID, the comment body, the date that it was created, and text length, as well as the sentiment scores. So then we can save the cleaned data. And the last step here is going to be completely application based. So that will just be an application of any of the functions that you've been working with throughout the whole script. And I've included plenty of potential suggestions for ways to achieve each of the different steps in each of these exercises. But feel free to work with each other and work with the COG leaders at the workshop to work through these different exercises. I've also included solutions, but please do not feel limited by the solutions. There are a lot of ways to achieve similar results in R. So if there are any different solutions that are coming to you or that you look into that look easier to understand, then please feel free to use that. Or to explore this data in any other way that looks interesting to you. So thank you so much for working through my workshop, and please feel free to email me again at virginia.ulichny@temple.edu if you have any questions or if I can be helpful with this in any way. Thank you.